The law has many purposes in our society. Laws set standards, preserve order, settle disputes, safeguard liberties and rights. Let's look at each of these functions more closely. The law serves as a guide for minimally acceptable behavior in society. Some types of behavior are considered crimes because the public, through a lawmaking process, has decided that it will not allow certain behaviors that injure or harm individuals or their property. For example, in most states, it is a crime to cause physical injury to another person without good reason. This is considered the crime of assault. Maintaining order is an outgrowth of setting standards. Some appearance of order is essential in a civilized society, so the law reflects that need. When laws are enforced, they provide the order that is consistent with society's rules. Since society is made up of persons with different needs, wants, values, and views, disputes are bound to happen. The law offers a formal means for settling disputes, the court system. We have a federal court system, and each state has its own distinct court system. There are also several less formal means for settling disputes. As a group, the less formal approaches are termed alternative dispute resolution, ADR. We learn about these systems later in this chapter. The United States Constitution and statutes and the Constitution and statutes of individual states provide for numerous liberties and rights. One purpose of the law is to protect these liberties and rights from violations or unreasonable interferences by individuals, societies, and governments. For example, with certain exceptions, the First Amendment to the Constitution forbids the government from passing a law that prohibits the freedom of speech. Someone who believes that his or her right to free speech has been violated by the government may decide to bring a case to the courts.